This was here in November. That should blow your mind. And so you're like, why a sprung structure? Well, I don't know what else you would have done between last November, actually first week of December, and today, and have the space as soon as we had it. And listen, you heard as insulated as you heard it. About 16 inches of insulation that we're dealing with. One, to keep sound out. The other is to keep what we're doing in, right? We don't want what we're doing in here to escape out either. So it's twofold. But unbelievable what we've been able to do here, and we're so thankful to the Sprung people for this technology. It's unbelievable. The silver like ribs, if you will, that you see, those are not infrastructure. They're not holding any part of the building. Those were laying on the ground when the building went up. Those are simply there for our HVAC system, and then everything that we fly in and out, lighting and production wise. And I don't remember the stats. I think you can hang a Volkswagen from it.
You want.
Yeah, I mean, it can just swing there, you know. And so who knows? The Ascension, maybe, I don't know. We'll see. What you are looking at though behind me is Quintus's office.